our channel. Today we are with a new video on the topic classification of animals. In this video we will learn Kingdom Animalia, invertebrates and their subdivisions, Porifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, Nematoda, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca and Echinodermata. There are thousands and thousands of different kinds of animals found on the earth. These animals live in different environments and places. They are of various shapes and sizes. Their sizes range from the tiny ant to giant-sized elephants, whales and sharks. Different animals have unique features, yet they show certain common features as well. For example, animals cannot prepare their food by themselves and they feed either on plants or on other animals for nutrition. They are heterotrophic in nature. Most animals move from one place to another mainly in search of food or shelter. Such a movement is known as locomotion. Depending on the presence or absence of backbone, animals are classified into two categories, invertebrates and vertebrates. Invertebrates are animals without backbone, whereas vertebrates are animals with backbone. In this video, we are going to learn about invertebrates and its subdivisions. Porifera. They are pore-bearing animals. They are mostly found in sea. They are fixed to some object or bottom of the pond or ocean. Their body is porous. That means they bear many tiny pores to draw water into the body cavity and one large pore to pass it out. Common example, sponge. Coelenterata. They are aquatic animals. They have sac-like body with only one opening, that is, mouth. Their mouth is surrounded by finger-like projections called tentacles. They use tentacles for catching food and swimming. They have radically symmetrical body. That means their body can be divided into two identical halves along any plane. Common examples, jellyfish, hydra, etc. Platyhelminthes. As the name suggested, they are flatworms. Their body is thin and flat. They mostly live as parasites in the bodies of other animals. That means they live in the bodies of hosts. Common example, tapeworm and liver fluke. Nematoda. They are roundworms. Their body is rounded and unsegmented. They mostly live as parasites in the body of animals, including humans. Common examples, ascaris, etc. Annelida. They are segmented worms. That means their body is composed of rings or segments. They have soft, moist body wall through which they breathe. They have a special organ for excretion known as nephridia. Common example, earthworm, leech. Arthropoda. They are animals with jointed leg. Their body is divided into three regions, head, thorax and abdomen. They have jointed legs. They are further divided into four classes, Crustacea, Myriapoda, Insecta and Arachnida. Crustacea. Their head and middle part, that is, thorax, are fused. They have many jointed legs. They are marine animals. Examples, crab, shrimps, lobsters, etc. Myriapoda. Their body is divided into many segments. Example, centipede and millipede. Insecta. Their body is divided into three regions: head, thorax and abdomen. They have three pairs of jointed legs. Their head bears a pair of antennae and mouth parts. Common example: butterfly and ants. Arachnida. Their head and thorax are fused together. They have four pairs of jointed legs. They have no antenna. Common examples: spider and scorpion. Mollusca. They are soft-bodied shelled animals. They have soft body with no segment. Their body is enclosed in hard shell. They move with help of muscular foot. That means the organ of locomotion in mollusca is muscular foot. Common examples: snail, slug, pearl oyster, etc. Echinodermata. They are spiny skin animals. Their body is rough and spiny. They are mainly marine animals. They move with the help of 2 feet. Their body is radically symmetrical. That means it can be divided into 2 equal parts. Common example: starfish and sea urchin.